Yo, what's cracking, guys? Dawgfatha here. If you've been following this channel over the last couple of months, 2-3 months, you've noticed this channel has just exploded. And man, thank you guys for all of that. Seriously, thank you guys. But with that happening and so many new people coming into the fold of the Dawgpound, I'm getting tons of questions across all my social media, to include email. So I figured, hey, I'm getting a lot of questions, I'm getting a lot of the same questions, so why not put it in one location where we can all get together and learn from each other? So that's what this is about today. So down there in the comment section, guys, drop your questions and become part of the conversation. Who knows, maybe your question might be featured in the next video. Let's talk about barbecue. Any questions that you might have, we're talking barbecue proteins, cookers, fuels, utensils, whatever. Pop that question in down there in the comments section and let's see if we can get a good conversation going on about it and learn from each other. Alright, so thank you guys again for tuning in to the channel and subscribing, thumbs upping, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. But I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.